In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use an add-on called Gaffer. I'll post a link to the 3D model that was used in this tutorial. I'll also post a link to Gaffer's official website. This is the default render scene. We can go to the World tab and increase the brightness, but the light doesn't look good. It doesn't look realistic. We can add a new light source to the scene like this. This made the objects look better, but it's still not the best way to represent the final scene. Let's decrease the strength of the light a bit for now. What we need is an HDRI image. Let's select the world. This is where we can add the HDRI image. I'll remove these nodes, because we don't need them for now. What do we need to do, if we were to rotate the position of the HDRI image's light source? We would need to add more nodes to make that happen, and that might take long. What do we need to do, if we were to add image enhancements like gamma, hue, saturation, etc.? Then we would need to manually add them and adjust each node. What is Gaffer? This is what Gaffer does. Gaffer provides the most professionally arranged nodes at your fingertips. Gaffer has got its own interface, so we don't even have to look at the nodes nor change settings in the node editor. This is so far the best solution to use the HDRI images. Gaffer has got even more features to enhance the existing HDRI images' light settings. Once you install the add-on, you need to specify where the HDRI image files are located. After that, just go to the World tab and put a check mark on the HDRI. Gaffer will take over from there. It can scan for HDRI images and let you replace the images easily like this. We can use this button to go to the next HDRI image. Gaffer's best feature is this. It gives us an ability to easily control the settings without having to create sophisticated nodes. We can easily rotate the HDRI image like this. We can change the brightness and so on. Basically, Gaffer gives us a great ability to fully control our environment image as easily as possible. This is a must-have add-on for all Blender users, and I would highly recommend everyone to use it. Please click this button to download additional HDRI images. Also, please experiment with all the settings to give the most realistic look to the scene. This is the end of the Gaffer tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.